unboxing of the Nerf tactical vest kit. So yeah, now let's take a look at the front of the box. It's an open face style box, so you can see everything that's inside the box. It comes with two 6-dart clips, clear round clips, and 12 darts. It's also, there's a picture of a guy wearing the vest, and yeah, now let's take a look at the back of the box. On the back of the box you have another picture with the same guy wearing the vest but numbered, so you can know the features. Right here you can read the features of the vest, but let's get it straight into it. So now let's open the box. It's one side. This is the other side. Okay, so now we open the box. So let's cut out the vest. Okay. So this is the vest. We'll get into that later. And now let's get out the clips and bits. Now this is packaged well, but you can take off the tape like this. Okay, so you get two 12 round clips. They are clear, so you can see how many darts you have left. And also you come with 12 darts. Let me get these darts out. So you get 12 darts. Let me put these darts aside for a second. Put them on here. And let me see if we have any instructions. So there's something else. There you go. Okay, so no instructions, just warning labels. And that's it for the box. I can throw this away. Now let's open the vest, and here's the vest. Okay, so this is the front of the vest. You have these velcros to keep the vest packed in. Then you have another 12 dart storage right on the logos. Here's where to store your clips. Here you have a mount for any Nerf guns. On the pictures you see the fire strike, you put the fire strike right there, right in here, if I would be able, but you put your fire strike right here. Then you have this pocket for the Nerf jolt, and it goes right in there. And then down here you have this another velcro, and here you have where to do the perfect size for you from the waist. So yeah, now let's load up the tactical vest. So the fire strike goes in here with the sling mount, like right there. Then you have the jolt. Goes into this pocket right here. So we put the jolt right in that pocket. Now, up here we put some darts. Let me get the dart out of this package. As you can see, you put darts up there for when you're using the jolt. You have your darts right up there. Then obviously you'll have the clips right mounted on here. These are a little bit tricky to get in. But anyways, you get the clips right here, right in here. Never mind, you get the clips right in there. Let me wear the vest so you can see it word on me. So I wear it. So like this. Oh, that's right there. This right there. and that's right there, and you have the clips right here. Okay, and when you have a big gun like Demolisher, okay, so I'm firing, I run out of bullets, you can simply just throw that away, quick reload, get this clip right there, and boom, you're ready for another 6 shots, and then you have another 6 shots, another clip. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of the unboxing and review of my Nerf tactical vest, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!